Dude.
What's up?
We gotta do a gear review today.
I mean, I'm kind of in a video right now.
No.
What?
We've got to do a gear review. Look what I've got. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is?
No. What is it, bro?
Take a guess.
It's not the pickups, bro.
Bro. It's the pickups.
No.
The pickups have arrived.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Big ass box.
Dude.
You're right.
Oh!
Hold on. My throat's kind of... Let me get it warm. Whoa! Okay. We're good.
Dude.
Like SpongeBob in that one episode of Lost in the Wilderness.
Dude, you got the box? You got the box, and that's a spring, bro.
Oh, let's
Well, you know, we'll fix that real quick. So, you know, just gonna set the camera down. We finna unbox this box, bro.
Finna unbox stuff.
We're gonna unbox it, bro. You ain't even know, bro.
Okay! This is a fucking box.
It's a box, bro. It's not just any box, though.
No, this is a box. Okay.
It's, yeah. A box with something inside of it.
Damn it, I'm sick!
Okay.
I ordered something offline a few days ago. How do we open this thing? Alright, don't play with knives. I ordered something very exciting for one of my beautiful banjos that I play guitar. And we're gonna open this box with the stuff in it that I ordered. Basically, what it is I've had the same guitar for like the past four and a half years. Okay. And the pickups, as you play them and take them inside and outside, they get cold and hot. They get what's called seasoned. Okay, you don't want seasoned pickups after so long they start selling shit. So, I don't know if that was audible what I just said. They probably
It's fine.
All right. Anyways, yeah. So they sound really dull, and I noticed this whenever he got his first Jackson, which is brand new, and his guitar sounded bright, and mine sounded like it was dropped into infinite valley of sadness. So we're gonna open these. This box. So I'm not gonna tell you what's in it yet. So, did I already tell them what's in it? I need to stop. I'm over talking. If you don't know what's in it, then I'm not gonna tell you yet. Okay.
Dude.
It's just fucking paper.
So there's gotta be something else in there, bro. There's gotta be more stuff.
More?
Look again, dude.
Measuring cup?
That's my mom.
I ordered guitar pickups.
You sure they're not in there, bro?
It's overpowering. These are all things that you have or own. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Open Andy's. Open Andy's mints.
Who gives away Andy's?
Oh, wait.
Open.
Bro.
Dude, are those the pickups? Those the pickups, bro?
Hold on, I can't reach him, bro. Ah! Yes! Yes! And look, they're not even open yet. They're not. Okay.
Dude!
First time opening.
Oh my god.
Now listen.
Dude, these are headset, bro.
Whoa. What did you say?
These are headset, bro. Oh my god.
Headset! So listen. We're going to have a little rundown of what these things are. First of all, there's a brand of pickups called EMG pickups, okay? They're my favorite. I'm not the standard A185 guy anymore. Whoa. It's the other way. Don't be breaking the headset.
Dude. Ooh.
Standard EMGs are sort of a black color, just like a standard black with like a weird brushed finish on them. Not brushed, like a granular finish. We'll put a picture right here so you can see what the originals are going to look like. This is a signature set. Set. Okay. James Hetfield from Metallica. That's who this is. God. Hey Siri, cancel all my alarms. Okay, anyways, these are his specialty pickups. They're from EMG, and I had to get them, like I said, for the other guitar because it sounds like it's too dull. It's not what I want, and I've fallen in love with active pickups here lately. And I saw these online. They were at a cheap price, so I just grabbed them. So we're gonna open up this box.
We're about to unbox.
We're about to
box
unbox
inside of the box.
Okay.
Whoa.
Are you ready, bro? I don't think you're ready for this.
Dude, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm not showing them yet.
Don't show them, bro.
Close that box.
Oh my God.
Close the box. Close the box. Just chill for a second. We still got paper to look at.
Oh my God.
All right. So EMG sent us this lovely, goddamn thing won't open. God damn it. Okay. Whoa!
Dude.
I got a freaking Metallica Hetfield Black Fang pick. Look at that! That came with the set!
Insane, bro.
Dude, I bet I can pick like Hetfield now. No, I'm not as good as him. Okay, so yeah, we get a pick with it. This is an instruction manual. I'm not gonna explain. Okay, well, obviously you already know why you need this to put it in your guitar. And we get a cute little sticker, little EMG pickup sticker. I don't think I showed you the other side. Boom. Now,
they ain't ready, bro. They're gonna freak out. They're gonna freak out.
oh, whoa!
Dude.
Whoa!
Dude.
Whoa!
Dude. Dude.
Bro.
Dude.
Bro, what you think?
I don't know, bro.
Bro, you better pass out, bro?
I don't know,
You
bro.
don't look too good.
Oh my God.
Oh my fucking God. Wait till y'all see these things. Okay. We're going to add the picture-in-picture of the original the original EMGs so you can see what they look like. But this is what the Hetfields are compared to those. Holy shit. These are freaking cool. It's so magnetized. This is unreal. Wow. This is what we're dealing with, guys. This is the original Hetfield pickups. God dang it. No. This is the signature Hetfield pickups. I need to stop saying original. I'm trying to be stupid today. They both look the same. That would have been the
I gotta touch this, bro.
Yeah, they're heavy. They're really
weighted.
heavy.
They're weighted, bro.
Yeah, and this is the bridge. This is the bridge pickup right here. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is awesome. Like, I think what we're gonna do with these is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do like a little playthrough on my old guitar. If these are going into. Oh, I didn't even describe the situation now.
Oh yeah. Well, they were just to mesmerize the pickups, bro.
So when I said I'm putting these into my Jackson, I made a huge change in plans whenever they showed up because I have a ESP. Well, it's LCD, but it's an EC1000 like deluxe guitar. It's got gold. You guys have seen it before. It's got the gold hardware and stuff on it. I'm gonna put these in there, and then put the EMGs out of that one into my Jackson because these. I mean, come on, man. Let me just grab the guitar. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Just chill. I know. I know. I know. Okay, I'm back. This is the guitar. The guitar. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna open it this way so it seems a lot.
Bro.
What?
They ain't ready, bro. They've already seen one.
Alright, this is the guitar that they're gonna go in. And these pickups are gonna go into my Jackson. It's gonna look sweet and sick and awesome. But yeah, so to conclude, before we get into some more shenanigans and throw the video completely off whack, new pickups today. James Hetfield EMG set. They're gonna go on this guitar. These EMGs are coming out. They're brushed black chrome. It's a quick connect, so you don't have to solder anything really. They all just connect, you know, piece by piece. The instructions is how to connect it with different setups, you know. That was one thing actually I didn't like about the setup, but I can't be mad because, like I said, they gave me a diagram to fix it. His guitars, Hetfield's guitars, most of them have 4 knobs instead of just 3 because he has 2 tones for each pickup and 2 volumes, which is kind of cool. My guitar only has 3, so I have to have 2 volumes and then 1 master tone, which is okay. It's not going to kill me too bad. I still got the pickups. So, yeah, we're going to go to the studio and record some stuff with the original pickups, and then once these get installed in a few days, we'll come back and do like a review. Oh,
dude, I ain't even ready, bro.
We're just gonna play some stuff with these pickups and play some stuff with those pickups.
Insane!
Yep, let's go. Yeah, dude. I like it. Yeah, this is these are the original pickups I have in this guitar. These are just 8185s. They're not quick connects. These are the soldered ones. So these are a little bit older, not as modern. I think that's how that works as than the other EMGs nowadays. Because it's simpler having quick connect. It's pretty convenient because you can just change them out if you want to. So yeah, that's what they sound like with the originals. It's pretty nice, really. We are now going to, well, not now, but in the next couple of days probably, or sooner, hopefully. I'd love to get him in sooner. I'm going to trade these pickups out, and I'm going to sit in the same exact position and play some riffs. So, we're going to see how they sound.
What we doing, bro? What we doing, bro? You ain't even know, bro.
It's finally done.
What's done, bro?
Ow! It hurt.
You good, bro? What's done, bro? What? Wait, what? How'd this get in my bed? Dude, has that been there the whole time?
No, dude, it just got there. I summoned it. Come closer.
Dude. This is my bed. What? Can you do this all the time? Like when I'm...
Notice a difference?
Dude.
Alright. You see those?
You see those, bro?
What?
Dude, those are EMGs, bro. EMGs.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Those are not just EMGs.
Oh, they're not.
This is the EMG headset. Hetfield himself uses these. I'm going to talk about them.
Bro.
I know.
Bro.
I know.
Bro. Breakfast.
Got a shot, bro. Bro, you're not going to be in the shot?
I can't be in the shot for this, bro.
You're not going to be in the shot like typing or something?
Epicness.
Just be in the shot typing.
Epicness, bro.
You're making me nervous. I mean, if you don't want to be in the shot.
I'll just do this the whole time.
I'm trying to figure out. That was loud, but that was perfect. Hot foam went through there. Not sponsored. So a few days ago, we started this video. What day was it? It's not sponsored. A few days ago, we started this video.
Is the unboxing video gonna be the on this video?
I don't know, maybe.
Guess depends on how long.
We're gonna find out.
We finna find out, bro.
All right. This video started off by I have a LTD guitar. It's a EC 1000 Deluxe. So this had the standard 8185s in it, EMGs. I don't know if you guys can see what's in them right now. I'm trying to keep them hidden, but this is a very wide angle camera. And I'm sure they may have seen it. For those of you that don't know what they look like and what they are, I think I may have mentioned in the first half of the video that we're going to piece together that I'm going to leave the picture-in-picture of what the original ones look like. I think you can do iMovie, can't you? Picture-in-picture? Yeah, I thought so.
Oh, no, I don't know.
Well, I came across a set of EMG pickups that is what's called the Het set. James Hetfield signature pickups.
Dude, is that the guy that's in Metallica?
Yes. No. No, not Metallica.
Oh.
AC/DC.
Oh, okay, you're right.
AC/DC.
Right. Yeah. My bad.
Metallica. God, no.
Dude, no way.
It's a, yeah. I got you. I got you good. I got you good.
Totally.
I got you good. I got you good.
That was a big bamboozle, bro.
Yeah. You're so mentally wrecked right now.
Crazy.
So the headset, James Hetfield.
He's been to Metallica this whole time.
Would you shut the hell up?
He's never won.
Would you shut the hell up?
Has he ever played for AC/DC?
He's no.
Oh my god.
He may have played with it, but no. Just shut up.
And you even
Just shut the hell up.
That's crazy.
The headset. These pickups right here were modeled after the pickups James Hetfield used his EMGs for 30 years. I looked it up. Oh, wrong side. These pickups. These are the brushed black chrome version of them. But these were modeled after his 30-year usage of like just 8185s. He basically got with a guy, I think his name's like Rob Turner or something. He got with him and he modeled pickups. He wanted them to be sort of a stealth idea that could still get through like the passive tone he was used to. Because passive pickups, I'm gonna beat. I can't even say what I'm gonna say.
Okay, I lock the chair.
This guitar used to have 8185s in it. It now has a James Hetfield signature EMG set. That he, God, damn it.
Drink break.
I don't know. Where was I even at?
They were modeled after.
They were modeled after 30-year usage of regular 8185 EMGs, and he wanted to basically get a stealth-looking version of pickups that were gonna still get the same aggressive tone that the 8185s he used for so many years did. These are very dynamic pickups, and they're definitely hot pickups. They pick up everything. I mean, from the headstock down, any noise, any knock, any scratch, anything. So they're definitely worth it. Could you and your chair, please?
Over here, fine.
Yeah. So basically, new pickups. I'm gonna do a review by review of both guitars, what the original sound like, what these sound like. I've talked all over the board because I've got him back there making excessive noises on purpose. So yeah,
Definitely not on purpose.
we're gonna get straight into the sound differences and
This is
back to
therapeutic.
back.
In many countries, chair squeaks.
What countries? What countries do they consider chair squeaks therapeutic? None.
Well, I mean,
They don't. They don't do that. I would believe more that there were more murders due to chair squeaking in countries than there is therapeutic sessions.
Would you say one would be the USA?
Probably.
Like more specifically, like in this state?
Probably.
You think in this room?
Probably. Yeah. We're gonna get into the sound comparison. So yeah. So like literally right off the bat, you can immediately tell the complete difference in like the crunch. These things compared to the 8185s. So just gonna play through it, and you kind of. God.
It's a habit.
You gotta play it. You gotta play. If you're using the pickups, you gotta play their songs.
It's illegal if you don't. You go to jail.
I don't know if I did any cleans on the last one, but I'll show you the cleans on these, because these were, the neck pickup was specifically designed to have a better clean tone, because I guess Hetfield wanted to have a nice clean tone live, which is understandable, because you don't want it to sound like crap, so. Yeah.
Cool. Greatest Van Halen song I've ever heard.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe. And once again, I just wanted to thank you guys for supporting this YouTube channel and others. You guys get the point. I will leave a description in the description box for a link to order these pickups.
We don't get any commission.
No, we don't.
Unfortunately.
I will give you the link to the website I use to get all my gear, Zounds.com. It is a great website. You can finance actually everything on there. So I'll leave the link for that, and you guys can order yourself a set of these if you're so interested, or you can order a drum set, or a guitar, or a bass, or a brand new half stack, or headphones. You guys can just order it from Zounds, because they are amazing. And I get all my stuff from there, basically. And it's very convenient. Their shipping's very fast as well. So, God. Thanks for watching. Link in the description for Zounds. If you haven't subscribed and liked, do that. Leave a comment in the section thing below. Wow, it's so late. I'm